Hey guys, my name is Faze and I'm a YouTuber, a streamer, and entrepreneur. And I want to share something with you guys that I've been doing for some time. And this is something that people don't want to share with anyone. People don't like to share how they're making money. A lot of things that you know and you heard of about marketing and PPC and Google advertising and the videos that we all see, because you all use YouTube, so you see the advertisement, the videos. Well, I'm gonna tell you how you can get mastered at that, how you become a master for the Google ads. I'm talking both in terms of video ads or whether it's the web search ads for Google.com, right, or any other partners. So let's get started with it. Is something that I will only want to share with those. I mean, I'll share it with everyone eventually, but I want to share it with those who actually are willing to make money, who want to make the most out of the time right now. It's for them basically. So I want you to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up so that I'll keep bringing more and more videos. And this is something that I want to just show you because a lot of people think that it's just clickbait or we're just making it up. So it is just to let you know that we're doing it, bro. We've been doing it for so long, all right? We've been making money all the time. Even when I'm sleeping, I'm making money. If I'm gonna get good response, if I'm gonna get good response from this video, I'm sorry. If I'm gonna get good response from this video, I'm gonna be posting another video or I might be coming live and I'll show you guys each and everything. We're gonna start together from the scratch, from the bottom, that how we can do it with the minimum amount just for the practice. You don't have to pay me anything. You don't have to pay anyone anything. And you can start with minimum around, like, even if you have $10 in your account, you can still start playing with Google and Google Ads. All right. So I'm gonna show you all that. This is the tip that no one, I guess, has ever disclosed to people. They say a lot, but they don't tell this. Plus, you get a $45 cashback, or I would say the amount back from the Google that you can use for the advertising uh, after 1 month.